It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 26th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Breezy conditions, some clouds around today, and will we see any rain in the valley as a system moves through the greater southwest? We will see a warming trend for the rest of the weekend and next week, that's for sure, with temperatures getting up to about the warmest we've had so far this year. How long will that last? Well, we'll talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 77 degrees the afternoon high, 55 the low. The normals, 79 and 55, pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. Outside now, here at 8:35 a.m., we've got partly sunny skies out there, and we're sitting at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 37, humidity 42%. The winds are from the west-southwest at 10, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 46 up there at the nearly 4,000-foot level of Thompson Peak. Otherwise, we're in the 50s and low 60s across the metro. The upper air look this morning shows a trough moving into the Great Basin and the southwestern United States, a broad southwesterly flow out ahead of it, some moisture streaming in. Will that be enough to produce some showers? And we'll be detailing that in just a moment. Not a whole lot happening out there right now, though. However, on the watch warning map, we do have a winter weather advisory for parts of northern and northeast Arizona, as well as parts of New Mexico, and scattered about through the west, we have seen some snowflakes flying, some red flag warnings for parts of New Mexico, Colorado, and out into the Plains states. Otherwise, not a whole lot happening. Convective outlook for today, the slight risk of severe storms around Jefferson City, Missouri. Otherwise, not a whole lot happening there either. And precipitation for the next 7 days. From the WPC, rain amounts here in Phoenix, nothing. And very light rain or snow for northern and eastern Arizona, but even at that, not expecting a whole lot as this weather pattern turns rather dry, as is the case once we start heading into April. We'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough moving into the southwest, a broad southwesterly flow out ahead of it. So down at the surface today, partly sunny skies here in the valley. Widely scattered rain and snow showers for northern and eastern Arizona, and we had a small chance of rain in our forecast here, but I've gone ahead and taken that out of the forecast. We may see a sprinkle or a very brief passing shower someplace, but it's not even enough to mention. I don't think anybody's going to see any measurable rain here in Metro Phoenix. That should be confined north and east of us. High temperatures today will be cooler too, upper 60s and low 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, cooler, lows mostly in the 40s. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy, cool, breezy at times, high temperatures mid and upper 60s. We'll be around 10 plus degrees below where we should be for this time of year. All right, as we go to the weekend, conditions start to warm up. Partly cloudy skies for Saturday. We'll be back in the low 70s, mid and upper 70s on Sunday. The warm-up may be slowed down just a bit as another very weak system passes on by, mostly north of Arizona. There might be a shower up across the northern border of our state. But here in the valley, just partly cloudy skies will persist. Monday, upper 70s for our high, maybe getting close to 80. Then Tuesday, we'll get into the low, maybe mid-80s with partly sunny skies. Wednesday, partly sunny, mid and upper 80s for the high. And again, about the only sensible weather will be those periods of high clouds. Here we go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 2nd of April. Now we've got a very broad trough that starts to develop here across the west. Heights pretty close to where they should be, so temperatures would be pretty close to average. We might back off just a little bit with highs a little closer to 80, although some of the guidance suggests we'll still be on the warm side. We'll just have to see how that plays out. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, the 4th of April. And that looks like a very broad trough here over the west. Nothing all that impactful for us weather-wise, although of note, a very broad ridge, a strong ridge over the northeast Pacific again. So we might start to see some energy trying to dig into the greater southwest for perhaps some unsettled weather, but it's just way too early to tell right now. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Yes, cool today and tomorrow. Look at those overnight lows down in the 40s, but then we'll warm it up, getting pretty close to 90 degrees as we head out toward next week. No doubt some of the warmest desert spots will be in the 90s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Thursday.